Hi, welcome to NatureDuva channel. I'm very excited to take you all to the mystical snowfall walk at the Ecology Park in Georgetown, Canada. Winter is magical. The best time to walk is when it's snowing because you don't feel that much cold. It's minus 5 degrees Celsius and is beautiful. I feel like winter concentrates the mind. The moment we step outdoor, we do what we have to do with uncommon pace and wind up. Instead, just try to be totally present and wherever you are, be there totally. I'm inviting you all to get immersed in the peace and purity of this heavenly snowfall and to practice the power of being. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please subscribe to NatureDuva.